Anchorage, 287,000 people. America's northernmost major city, built on permafrost, built on ground that's slowly turning to liquid. By 2050, in this projection, Alaska faces $50 billion in permafrost damage. 143 villages relocate. Anchorage splits in half. Permafrost, soil frozen for thousands of years. 80% of Alaska sits on it. The state was built on this. Warmth takes it back. Alaska warms 4 times faster than the rest of the planet. Winters 6 degrees warmer than 70. December rain replaces December snow, not weather, climate. 2026. Alaska faces $51 billion in projected permafrost damage. 143 villages threatened. Florida gets headlines. Alaska gets the slow disaster. Drunken forests, trees tilting like they're swaying in slow motion. The soil beneath them is no longer solid. The ground itself is now liquid. Yupik people call it Alaskan quicksand. Permafrost mixed with melted ice. Looks like ground, acts like swamp. There's no walking on it, only sinking. Edna Chase, 60 years old, 53 years in her home. 2 floors underwater, pumps every 15 minutes. One of 700 in Nunapitchuk. Every 15 minutes for years. The pump runs, water leaves, more water comes back. Climate change isn't a future, it's a noise. Anchorage thinks it's safe. Anchorage sits on sporadic permafrost, not continuous like the north, but warming, foundations cracking. The slow disaster reaches the city. 2026. Anchorage roads buckle. Water mains break weekly. Schools crack. Pipes installed in 1960 assumed permafrost was permanent. It isn't. Infrastructure follows. 143 native villages threatened. 12 are in active relocation. The other 131 wait. Federal government and climate disagree on timing. Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson, America's Arctic Air Defense, 8,500 troops, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor fighters, strategic against Russia and China, sinking slightly each year. 2025, federal climate aid. Florida, $4.8 billion, California, $3.2 billion, Alaska, $410 million. Same size disaster, different attention, almost invisible. 2027, Newtok relocated to Mertivik. First Alaska village successfully moved for climate. 12 years of work. 1 down, 142 to go. 2028, Anchorage native population up 32% since 2020. Climate refugees from villages. Capital of Alaska native culture moves to the city. Ted Stevens Anchorage International Airport. 40% of US-Asia cargo refuels here. The choke point. Permafrost beneath the runways thawing. Repair costs $84 million yearly. Forever, maybe. 2029. 12,000 Anchorage homes flagged for permafrost foundation damage, up from 40 in 2020. Suburbs become uninsurable, unsaleable. Math wins. 2030. State Farm pulls out of Alaska hillside zones. Allstate followed. USAA followed. Foundation damage uninsurable. Anchorage joins California, Florida, the uninsurable triangle. Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor squadrons fly stable from cracking runways. Pilots live in tilted base housing. America's Arctic defense is a contradiction. The ground decides next. 2031. 12 Alaska native villages in active collapse. Kivalina, Shaktoolik, Shishmaref losing ground. Federal response fragmented. Shortfall 19 billion. Slow disaster faster than government. 2031. Anchorage now has the largest indigenous population of any US city, 18%. Climate refugees within their own state. Housing waitlist 6 years. 2031. Ted Stevens Anchorage International Airport closes first time due to permafrost. Federal emergency $2.4 billion to refrigerate ground beneath runways. Most expensive intervention ever. Scientists started studying permafrost in 1995. Thought decades remained. By 2031, decades into the crisis, they once called future. Future arrived early. 2032, Arctic coast of Alaska loses 18,000 acres in 6 years. Prudhoe Bay infrastructure compromised. 20 billion in pipelines assumed permanent ground. It isn't. 2032, United States Department of Defense reviews Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson strategic stability. Russia engineered for permafrost change. America assumed permafrost was permanent. Arctic military balance shifts. National security collides. 2033, United States Congress passes the Climate Infrastructure Emergency Act. 48 billion for Alaska. Permafrost Recovery Authority created. 8 years late, 31 villages already lost. 2033, Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson closes for 96 hours. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor squadrons grounded. Russia tests the air defense gap. America's Arctic defense temporarily blind. National security. By 2034, 18 Alaska Native villages in active relocation. 31 already lost. The federal response works at last. Late, but real. Anchorage absorbs them. 2035. Anchorage population, 271,000. Native share, 23%. 31 villages lost. JBER, offline 147 days cumulative. Slow disaster compounds. 2036. Downtown Anchorage transforms. Native-owned businesses dominant. Multi-tribal cultural renaissance. The city becomes the cultural capital nobody planned. Climate built it. 2036. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor squadron relocated from Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson to Eielson Air Force Base and Joint Base Lewis McChord. Base stays open with reduced mission. Climate moved America's Arctic defense. Strategy followed ground. 2037, Prudhoe Bay spends $400 million yearly stabilizing. Trans-Alaska pipeline system retrofitted for $2 billion. Alaska oil survives at compounding cost. Disaster taxes everything. 2037, 65,000 non-native Alaska residents depart since 2030, mostly to Idaho, Washington, Texas. Anchorage shrinks of its old population, grows of its new. 2038, Anchorage tensions rise. Long-time residents versus native climate refugees. Federal aid disputes. Mayor mediates. Climate doesn't pick sides. Both affected, both competing. 2038, Arctic shipping traffic up 840%. Anchorage repositions. Arctic defense to Arctic commerce. Climate took permafrost, gave shipping. Strange compensation. 2040, Anchorage, 254,000, down 33,000 from 2026. Native share, 31%. The city smaller, the city more native. The city transformed. 2040. Russia controls 8 Arctic bases. America's Arctic primacy diminished. Russia engineered for permafrost change. America assumed it was permanent. Strategic loss, permanent. 2041. Permafrost carbon release. 12% of global emissions, up from 2% in 2020. Alaska's slow disaster accelerates the fast one. 2041 to 43. 53 more villages relocated, largest forced US relocation since the Trail of Tears. 8,000 years of Yupik people culture uprooted. 2042. Federal $4 billion to refrigerate downtown Anchorage ground. Hillside abandoned, too expensive to save. Climate triage. City decides which neighborhoods live. Federal Alaska climate spending 2026 to 2043, $186 billion. Per capita, most expensive in US history. Pay forever or let go. Pay 1. 2043, Indigenous Climate Protection Act signed. $32 billion for Alaska Native cultural preservation. Land mostly lost. Language and culture federally protected. Real. 2044, Anchorage stabilizes. 248,000, 35% Indigenous. Downtown refrigerated. Hillside abandoned. Different city, same name, working. Slow disaster found equilibrium. 2044, Mayor Deborah Kagayak. Yupik people climate refugee, first Indigenous mayor of Anchorage, learns from people who knew permafrost first. Leadership matches population. 2044, Port of Alaska, now Arctic shipping hub. The new Singapore, Arctic version. Climate took permafrost, gave trade routes, strange compensation, real economy. 2045, Anchorage workforce, 41% native Alaskan, 12 native corporation headquarters, 40 billion annual revenue. Climate transformed the economy, different city working. 2046, Alaska population 583,000, down 20% from 2025 peak. Non-native exodus complete. Idaho hosts 120,000 expats. 2046, Anchorage becomes the global capital of permafrost science. International students, engineers, planners. Alaska's failure became the world's curriculum. Strange export, real value. 2047, Arctic coast of Alaska lost 142,000 acres since 2020, 40 years ahead of projections. The slow disaster moves faster than predicted. 2048, Anchorage stabilizes, new equilibrium found, smaller, Indigenous-led, federally supported, climate-adapted. The slow disaster reshaped completely, functional, different, sustainable. The transformation complete. Anchorage, 2050, 244,000. World's first Indigenous majority US metro. Climate didn't kill the city, climate transformed it. Slow disaster found its end. Downtown Anchorage, 2050, refrigerated underneath. 186 million yearly, federal permanent, native-led commerce, climate tech offices, smaller, more diverse. The downtown the slow disaster preserved. 2050, Anchorage's hillside neighborhood, rewilded. 10,000 abandoned homes overgrown by Alaska forest. Moose where mailboxes stood. Where humans left, nature reclaimed. 2050, Anchorage Arctic economy, 48 billion annually. The Arctic's Geneva. Climate took permafrost. Climate elevated commerce. Net economic impact, positive. Strange ledger. 2050, Anchorage diaspora, 145,000 in Idaho, 92,000 in Washington, 47,000 in Texas. Diaspora outnumbers remaining city. They built new Anchorages south. Anchorage, 2050, cultural capital of Arctic Indigenous peoples. Heritage Center quadrupled. 28 native galleries, 6 Indigenous theaters. World Arctic Summit yearly. Anchorage absorbed. 2050, Anchorage Federal Climate Workforce, 6,200. Permafrost Recovery Authority permanent. Climate adaptation and industry. Federal jobs replaced private loss. Climate is profession. 2050. By 2075, another 30% permafrost lost. 60 more villages to relocate. The slow disaster doesn't stop. The migration continues. 2050. Kids born in 2034 define new Anchorage. Indigenous majority, climate adapted, federal supported. First generation of new city. They define what it means. 2050. University of Alaska Anchorage graduates lead permafrost engineering globally. Indigenous knowledge meets modern science. Yupik people knew permafrost 10,000 years. Federal knew 50. New Anchorage integrates. Mayor Kagayak leaves office in 2050. Anchorage Indigenous majority, climate adapted, federally supported. First Indigenous mayor leaves a stable city. Climate didn't reverse. Adaptation did. Anchorage was always a fiction. Permanent permafrost, endless ground. Climate didn't break Anchorage. Climate revealed it. Fiction collapsed. Reality remains. Still Anchorage. Anchorage 2050, 244,000. By 2075, projected 200,000. By 2100, 145. Slow disaster continues. Story continues.